friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today I've got a bit of a bonus video for you, and it's going to be in a craft and relax style. I wanted to share with you the process of how I assembled this very fun patriotic greeting card using some dies from Papertrey Ink and Whimsey stamps. So if that sounds good to you, then stick with me and we will make it together. So that's all for my patriotic card today, created with some scraps from my stash, as well as the Papertrey Ink Patriot dies, as well as the alphabet dies from Whimsey stamps. If you enjoyed this bonus video made in the craft and relax style, let me know in the comments below, and make sure to give me a big thumbs up for this video as well. You can find links to our social media sites in the description. And if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!